We think it's surprisingly valuable because of this international audience. We did not estimate it so many people by volume to come to this conference. The previous conferences of that kind in Germany had a third or a quarter of the audience so far.
So it's very exciting to see not only these events come about, but the audience, the number of people is unprecedented. Close to 700 this morning at the event, so that's quite exciting. People are very enthusiastic, they're asking good questions, they're energized, they're optimistic, but also realistic. They want good information, and you have to attend events like this to become educated, to really get good, accurate information, both the good, the bad, and sometimes the ugly.
We are the first time in Berlin in this great show, and we meet a lot of people from the industry, from the hobbies, from the education market, and so it's for us fantastic this show to present different solutions from the small maker bots to the professional machines.
Better than estimated, much better than estimated. It's a great audience. I personally met a lot of people coming from the automotive industry. I met people coming from construction and engineering and design, so various things, and it's really nice to see so many people interested in 3D printing, and especially people we never met before.
Inside 3D printing is turning around or traveling around the world and bringing people in the loop of thinking about 3D printing. And if we get a big community, then we can be successful. And Inside 3D printing is taking that piece and bringing that technology in the head and the awareness of people.